Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we're going to be taking a look at Mini DisplayPort Adapters. This is the Mini DisplayPort Male to VGA Female Adapter. It features a Mini DisplayPort Male connector on one side and a VGA Female connector on the other side. The adapter can be used to connect from a Mini DisplayPort source to a VGA monitor. To clear up some confusion, Mini DisplayPort connectors can often be confused with USB connectors, the closest being USB Type-B, but the Mini DisplayPort connectors have a slightly different form factor and are a bit smaller. The adapter is 7 inches long and can support resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. The Mini DisplayPort Male to VGA Female Adapter is a quick and easy solution for your video needs. If you still have any questions, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.